In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashed lines in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're designing icons, maps, or borders, dashed strokes are a quick way to add rhythm and emphasis to your artwork, and they're fully customizable once you know where to look. First, make sure the object you want to style is selected. Use the selection tool, the black arrow, and you can press the V key as a shortcut. Click your path or shape so you see its bounding box or anchor points. If it isn't selected, the stroke settings you apply won't show up where you expect. Next, open the stroke panel. If it's not already visible, go to the window menu and choose stroke. This panel controls everything about your outline, and it's where dashed lines live. Inside the stroke panel, turn on the option labeled dashed line. Checking this tells Illustrator to break the stroke into repeating segments instead of drawing one continuous line. You'll notice fields labeled dash and gap. These are the heart of your pattern. The dash value sets the length of each dash along the path. The gap value controls the space between those dashes. Think of dash as the visible segment and gap as the blank space. Type in a dash value to start, then add a gap value to define the spacing. For example, a dash of 8 and a gap of 4 creates a crisp, evenly spaced pattern. Larger dash numbers give you longer dashes. Larger gap numbers spread them farther apart. As you adjust, keep an eye on your artwork to see how the numbers translate visually. The units here follow your document's measurement settings, so if your file is in points, these are points too. Finally, refine the overall look with stroke weight. Increasing the stroke weight makes each dash thicker, giving a bolder appearance. Decreasing it makes the dashes lighter and more delicate. If the dashes start to look crowded when you make the stroke heavier, increase the gap or shorten the dash so the pattern breathes. If the dashes feel too sparse at a thin weight, shorten the gap or lengthen the dash for a more continuous feel. Small changes go a long way. That's all there is to it. Select your object, open the stroke panel, enable dashed line,